What's up, everybody? Today we are diving into SEO and Google keyword search and how that relates to your Squarespace site. Hey everyone, I'm Elizabeth Muller, founder of Bloom Creative Company, a Squarespace design agency. And today I'm going in depth with a trigger word that I hear from most business owners that manage their site on Squarespace, and that's SEO. Now, everyone thinks that they need SEO to get traffic and to get sales, but no one really understands exactly how to boost that SEO or what that means exactly. Now, in Squarespace, in your analytics tab of your site, there is something called Google Keyword Search. And this is something I get so excited to share with every project that I work on because it changes the game for everyone, whether you're a local brick and mortar store, whether you're an online shop, online service. This will help you build the right content on your site to get the right view. This gives you wonderful insight and data on what your audience is doing, what they're clicking, but more importantly, how they actually found you, how you're appearing in Google, and what you can do to improve. So a lot of us are bootstrapping our businesses and don't have thousands of dollars to spend a week on running ads to get our direct client, and we have to do what we can with our site. In this Google Keyword Search console, I want to walk you through exactly what it looks like to set it up and what you're looking for, because this will give you wonderful blog content. It will tell you the exact language of what people are using to actually find you. We are experts in our fields, and sometimes we talk too much like the experts. So this will help us kind of dumb down our language and get at the level of what people need us to be at in order for us to get in front of them. This will also help with your organic SEO and using keywords and what to put in your site and how that is working. And it's a trackable and measurable way to see what is working or what isn't working. I'm going to share my screen with you here, and we're going to dive into what that looks like exactly in Squarespace. So I just logged into Squarespace. I am in my Bloom test site, and I am going to click on the analytics page over here. So this is, in a nutshell, this gives you insight to the behaviors that traffic are taking on your site, from e-commerce to what pages are clicked on the most to what is purchased the most. So down here in Google Search Keywords, this is where we are going to set up our collection of data. So Google keyword or search keywords, I guess I'm saying a little backwards. This is going to show you exactly how you show up in Google according to what your audience is typing. So we want to connect this because, one, this is going to give us incredible intel to how we're being found, and two, it's going to set the stage for blog articles that you could write to help boost your SEO organically. It could help you find keywords that you want to put in your homepage or title your pages. Squarespace does a great job working hard for you on the back end with your SEO, but you have to set the stage for it to be a hard worker for you. So once you click connect, it open up Google, and I am going to select my Bloom website design account and hit allow. And then it's going to tell me here shortly that it is going to take up to 72 hours to index your data. So it's going to take a little bit of time to collect data. Now, I am going to go to Charlie Ray Skincare. She is a local skincare company in Maryland that we did a case study with her on looking at the data, blogging about it, and seeing what results. So when we're here in Google Search Keywords, you can toggle your data to whatever you need it to reflect. Now, this data is constantly changing based on search behaviors, so this is a really great way to find new trends in your niche market, things that could be blowing up on the internet that you want to get in front of before everyone else does, because as we know, when it comes to SEO, and what a trigger it is, we also know that the web is very, very saturated right now too. So if you're an online business, it's going to be a lot harder to move the needle without paying for traffic. Now, I am not a all or nothing in SEO type of person. It depends on the business, but I also know that in order to get the exact client that you want, it is best to pay for ads. So whether it's whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Google AdWords, whatever that is, it is best to get in front of the exact client that you want and pay money to do that, because you know that that person is going to likely buy from you. So right now we're talking about organic growth and things that we could do to try and move the needle organically without putting money towards it. Now, as a brick and mortar local business, it's very important because that SEO piece is attached to an address, which puts you in a location. So all of this could be very critical to brick and mortar and very niche down industries. So let's look a little deeper here. We're going to do the last 30 days. And once this loads, we are going to jump down here a little bit. Now, here are your different metrics of data. So the search keyword here, you have your clicks, your impressions, your click rate, and average position. So if you hover over here, your clicks are the number of clicks from a Google search results page for this keyword that landed a user on your site. So these are the actual people that typed in this search keyword into Google, clicked through to the site. Impressions, the number of people that saw links to your site in the search results for this keyword, even if the link was not scrolled into view. Click rate, the click count divided by the impression count. And average position, the average position of the topmost result from your site. And their example is if your site has 3 results at positions 2, 4, and 6, the position is reported at 2. If a second query returned results at position 3, 5, and 9, your average would be 2.5. So this is the people that actually clicked. These are the people you were in front of, potentially in front of. This is your percentage of click rate and your average position in the results. So when we look at her search keywords, obviously Charlie Ray Skincare is what is going to bring the position up. And when we go through her keywords and we look past all of the specific name of her business, we can get down here into something like blackhead removal service near me. Now, Allie is the business owner, and she may be putting in her site, a very technical term for acne removal. And when we sat down together and talked through this, we were looking at different things that people were searching. And it was really funny because every couple keywords she would be like, I didn't even think that would be something someone is searching, or I didn't realize people needed this information. Because again, as experts, we know how to talk about our field and our craft and our service and what we produce, but we don't necessarily know how people are speaking to that. That's why this analytic tab here is so crucial, because it shows you exactly how people are searching for their answers and how we can get on top of it. So here we see blackhead removal service near me. So this would have been a local search and she got clicks. After wax skincare products, this is something that she did not get any clicks, but did appear. So when you go through these, breakout after facial, life-changing skincare, breakout after waxing, my first facial. So for her, there is opportunity here, maybe in even making a FAQ page where she's covering all these exact questions, and then she could appear higher in those results or get more click-throughs because of it. So it looks like a lot of people are asking, for help with after waxing, irritation, redness, what are the benefits? So this might be a really good opportunity for her to make an FAQ page or add to her current one. Now there's a lot about waxing in here, so maybe that's a blog article. She could write an article addressing and using all of these keywords, and maybe it's something that she monitors for a couple weeks to see what else produces. And when we're looking at this data, it's really important to understand that what you type into your site is very important to how people are going to react on your site. So I am a big supporter in having some sort of blog or vlog, even podcast content that addresses a lot of these keywords. Because ultimately, if you share value on what everyday people are searching for that are not experts in the field like you are, the more value you share, the more they're going to trust you and the more they're going to be inclined to support your cause or buy your product or hire you for that service. So the more you can put out there for people to answer their everyday questions, to answer their burning questions, and kind of keep it all in one place for them, the better you are with growing that know, like, and trust for that person. So you can see how this is a really great opportunity to help you with your blog, to help boost SEO results when you don't have the budget for it just yet. We can all blog, we can all talk about our craft, but this just gives you a leg up on what to do and helps you produce content. I mean, who wants to sit and stare at a computer trying to figure out what people want to hear? You have it all right here in front of you. This is something that I recommend looking into maybe once a month to start, just trying to be proactive and taking a look at industry trends and what people around you are asking for and looking for. This data does change often, so make it a habit. Go in once a month, twice a month, just see what's trending, what's happening, where you're gaining momentum, where maybe you're falling short, and then there's your opportunity. I hope that made sense for you. I hope you got a ton of value in that and found some things that you can go do today in your website to help you improve. Now, if you have specific questions about anything else you'd like to learn in Squarespace, if you'd like a walkthrough video on that, leave a comment below and let us know what we can do to serve you best and what content we can produce for you. If you are a business and you are really stuck on your Squarespace website, that is what we do. We are happy to help. You can find our email in the description below. Last thing, please smash that subscribe button so you are in the know of all the awesome content that we're going to be putting out and you don't miss a video on how to grow your business. Thank you so much for being here. Again, I'm Elizabeth Moeller with Bloom Creative Company, a Squarespace design agency. We'll see you on the next video.